Now, the modern cosmology is telling us that the universe is started from smoke. And the Quran is telling us that the heavens were smoke. So there is a clear agreement between what the verse of the Quran stated and the modern cosmology finding. Okay. So the whole universe was one entity, according to the Quran and according to the modern cosmology. The origin of the universe was smoke, according to the Quran and according to the modern cosmology. Glory be to Allah, who revealed the Quran to the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and told him about some of the secrets in the whole universe, not the whole secret. Some of the secret of the whole universe. For us, for the people who disbelieve, and for all humanity, in order to believe that this is the word of Allah, and the one who brought it is the messenger of Allah. Because it's almost impossible for someone 14 centuries ago to come with such information about the formation and the origin of the whole universe. It is really almost impossible for someone living 13 centuries ago to come with such information. Except that it is from the one who created the whole universe and who knows the secrets of the whole universe. Yes. So, now, the story hasn't ended. Okay? The story is still continuing. Started, the universe was one entity. Then the whole bodies of the universe were created from smoke. What else? What do we have? We have more. We have more secrets to be disclosed through the Quran and also through the modern science, the modern cosmology. Allah said in the Quran to describe that the universe is still expanding. It's not created with a final size and that's it. No. It is expanding all the time. Allah said, وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. This is in chapter الجاليات, verse number 47. The corresponding meaning of this verse is, with power did we construct the heaven, verily, we are able to extend the vastness of space thereof. It means that this verse indicates that the universe is expanding. It is continuously expanding. It started small and it has been expanding all the time. Okay. So let's see something from the modern cosmology about this event, about this fact. We can find this through some scientists from the Western society. The American astronomer Fistu M. Sliver noticed in 1912 that the spectral lines from the rest of the galaxies were shifted toward longer red wavelengths. This showed that most galaxies were receding from ours, which is the Milky Way, at several hundred kilometers per second. So they found that the universe is expanding through this finding. Through this finding, the other galaxies continuously disappear through measuring the wavelengths, the red wavelengths, indicating that these galaxies, other than the Milky Way, which is our galaxies, they were receding from the Milky Way. It means that they are disappearing with time, meaning that they are going away from the Milky Way, meaning that the universe is expanding. This is one finding through the American astronomer in 1912. Another astronomer, his name is Edwin Powell Hubble, he found this. The redshifts law, or Hubble's law, found by this astronomer in 1929, explained that the universe is steadily expanding. Is steadily expanding through using the redshifts law. And if you would like to have more knowledge about this law, you can search them through Google or other sources in order to get more detail. But through the findings of such astronomers, famous astronomers, the whole universe is expanding. Okay? The Quran is telling us that the universe is expanding. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. وَالسَّمَاءَ بَنَيْنَاهَا بِأَيْدٍ وَإِنَّا لَمُوسِعُونَ. And also, the modern cosmology is telling us through some law of physics that really the other galaxies are going away from the Milky Way, indicating that the whole universe is expanding. Okay. The story is not yet at the end. We still have more about the universe, because the universe will not continue as it had a beginning. It will have an end. It will have an end. And this is well described in the Holy Quran. Allah said in the Holy Quran about this phenomenon, the end of the whole universe. يوم نطوي السماء كطي السجل للكتب كما بدأنا أول خلق نعيده وعدا علينا إنا كنا فاعلين. Okay, so the whole universe will not continue, but it will have an end. The corresponding meaning of this verse is this. And remember, either you or Muhammad, peace be upon him, or anyone